So it's the next day here, guys, and Dad is busy doing some repair on the doors. He's already got the hinges in place, and he's just grinding down the rough welding. So we haven't got these doors back on here yet, but they are off. Dad would have done the repairs there yesterday. There's the big door on there, right there, and he would have he's already done the repairs on here. So he's put a band of metal. We showed that in yesterday's video, and that's for protecting the bottom of the door that was all rusted out. And as you can see, he's over here doing the work on this door now. We'll do a little bit of touch-up welding.
This gentleman put this in.
Yeah.
The door has been hitting on there since day one.
Okay.
So anyway, I bent it back so it's clear.
Closes now. Yeah. And that's how easy it comes off with the hinge type hinges here.
Once that cools off and I grease it,
Yeah.
it'll slide out easy.
Okay.
And then this way, he can get in here to finish his body work, eh?
Yeah. So that just put the grease gun on the hinges. Couple of pumps is all you need.
Well, half a pump is lots. Just enough so it comes out of the bushing.
Okay.
I'll show you here right away. See it coming there? Right here?
Yeah.
This is just so it doesn't rot. He doesn't want anything done other than what's necessary. That is necessary.
Okay. And again, this is just a Rust-Oleum type of spray paint that Dad's using, and he's just making sure that there's no rust spots going out of here, because the customer may not get his Bombardier in for service for repainting right away.
Okay, you see this patch here?
Yeah, I focused in on this before, but you give us the rundown.
Okay, it's finished now. We're going to turn it over and then take a picture. It's welded all the way around.
Yeah.
And this is siliconed in right underneath.
So no more water can get in.
Water can't get in.
Okay. Okay.
I ground the tin off. This is tin overlap on the door.
Yeah.
So this is solid to the frame now. And it's all polished and touched up.
Okay, and I see you
That's done.
touch that up there, so it's welded
and
on.
I crimped these down and welded it again because it was all broke loose.
So no chance of this coming loose then. Good.
This is done.
Okay.
Now I want to take this door,
Okay.
set it over there, and bring that one over.
Okay.
In here, get the rubber off.
So this is the third and final door. Dad said he's just going to take all the rubber off. He's going to sand everything down. He's going to take this
What I
off.
might do is cut this across, take this chunk right out.
Yeah. Well, it's rotten.
Finish
So this is a passenger side door. You might not have noticed as much damage, or the previous owner might have not noticed enough damage just because it's a passenger side door, but this one's rotten right through. And this is just normal wear, excess wear and tear, guys, and also not having a close fitting door.
or parked
Yeah,
under a roof in the summer.
Yeah.
The water runs through all over. What do you
so
expect?
it's Dad spent all day yesterday on that one and that one, or in this morning. And so it's mid-afternoon right now on Friday, November 10th. And Dad's going to work on this and keep on going. One of the things we noticed here is the rubber doesn't go all the way through. So over the years they just put in whatever they had. And yeah, so
Different thicknesses and different joints. Water goes through, water goes through.
yeah.
That's why it's here. Fix it. Now, these are hinge spacers, and they have to be in there to work.
Okay.
So this gentleman didn't have a hinge spacer, and he took
It's like an old quarter or something.
3/4, and he made his own silver hinges that don't rust.
Okay. Are they? Is it literally silver?
Yeah, well, I don't know what year they are, but they're quarters.
Okay. Yeah.
I can polish them up a bit, and then everybody can
Yeah.
have a look. Now there's. Whoa. Looks like 1988. Iron on here, so this door is okay other than cleaning up the edges
Okay.
and either put a patch in here or new sheet
Dad was saying that there's a heavy chunk of iron in here and underneath, but Dad's got to do the repairs here. We got all excited that these might be 3 drilled out silver quarters, and they're not. Looks like the last one's from like 1981 or something like that, so it's good for maybe the slot machine or something, but no Bombardier hinges or Bombardier spacers.
That just goes to show you the boys down the line that if they have a spare quarter, they can make a hinge spacer.
Yeah. Okay, I went to town for parts and Dad did this.
Now we got a vacuum.
Yeah.
I cut all that shit out and I got a sheet iron right there,
Okay.
and I'm going to stick it underneath here
Yeah.
and weld it all the way around, and
Wow, look at that.
that's the insulation.
Okay, so I got some vacuuming to do. So we got the tin on the door now, and Dad's gonna replace that, all that rotten shit that he took off. He's just marking where he's got a cut later on here. And he may even have this done by the end of today.